Namaste. I'm Shashi Sada from the Yoga Institute. Today's topic is how to get focus. What is focus? In children, we see that many a time the children lack concentration. They're not focused. They're not able to concentrate or do one act for a longer duration. They need to run from here to there. The same thing as teenagers, we keep telling our teenagers, get focused. Understand your goal. Try to do things in a focused way. As you become adult, when everything is still focused, you have a career, you have a life, still we say that I don't have focus, I don't understand, I'm not able to concentrate for a longer time. So do you realize in the entire spectrum of life, from childhood to adulthood to midlife, we are always lacking this entire word called focus. What is focus and why do we lack it? Focus is something that says that, okay, keep a track on the goal, understand what you want to do, how you want to do. But in that whole process, we just completely forget this one thing, that first we need to focus on the present. Our entire present is not focused on, we are only focusing on the future, on the road ahead. If you start focusing on what's happening right now, at this moment in your life, the entire focus converges into today and now. The fact that we never feel focused is because we're never living in the now. It's very important to live in the now, and that's only possible if you see things as it is. Starting to practice this simple technique of seeing things as it is. The moment we see things, we perceive something about our past memory, think something about your future, and then culminate all these thoughts to think about what is the current situation or the person. Without getting your past memories and the future thoughts, trying to see things as it is. That is a very, very good way to improving your focus. And in yoga, there's a beautiful technique which increases concentration and focus, which is Trataka, which can be done in a form of candle gazing or spot gazing. When we talk about spot gazing, you're just blindly gazing at one spot. Just looking at the spot blindly, seeing the spot as it is. Just by doing this little technique for 5 minutes every day, you will see the trickling effect of it in your entire day. You will start seeing that you're more focused in your day-to-day activities. So practice spot gazing or Trataka every single day to increase your concentration. Start with children also. The moment children start to practice Trataka, they will see a lot of calmness, steadiness in their behavior, in their entire focus, in their entire trajectory towards life and towards activity. Doing things in a certain way, focusing on the now, focusing always into things as it is, will really help you to get more focus, more understanding of what is the pathway to life. Try to do this. Try practicing Trataka, spot gazing every day to improve your concentration levels and focus. And also practice to see things as they are, without any filters, without any thoughts. And see the difference it makes in your day-to-day life. Thank you. Namaste.